Hey, Jonathan here with Central Sound. I'm going to show you how to remove the AirPod Pro ear tips. I have a couple different types, memory foam and silicone here. Right now I have a silicone ear tip installed on here, and I'm going to use a paper towel to grip it. It makes it a little bit easier because they are small. So you want to pinch and twist. If it goes inside out like this, that's fine. Just pinch it and twist and pull, and it should unclip. So that's what it looks like when it is removed, and that's the silicone ear tip. Now if you do pinch and pull it and it rips and tears like this into two pieces, you're going to need to remove the plastic piece that is still attached. So you can usually just use your fingernail and it unclips pretty easily, just like this. Here's the two pieces. So yeah, that's destroyed, can't use that again. Now here we have our Central Sound memory foam ear tips, and these